Today we will discuss preparation of acid. First method, from non-metal. How will prepare that acid from non-metal? Non-metal reacts with hydrogen to form acid. Second method, from acidic oxide. Acidic oxide reacts with water to form acid. Example, CO2 plus water, H2CO3, carbonic acid, SO2 plus water, H2SO3, sulfurous acid, SO3 plus water, sulfuric acid, P2O5 plus water, H3PO4, phosphoric acid, P2O5 plus 3H2O product 2H3PO4. Third method, from salt. Now salt plus non-volatile acid form like another one, salt plus volatile acid. We can prepare more volatile acid by using less volatile acid, but reverse is not possible. We cannot prepare less volatile acid by using more volatile acid. Example, we can prepare HCl by using HNO3 or H2SO4, but we cannot prepare H2SO4 by using HCl. So we can prepare more volatile acid by using less volatile acid. Example, NaCl plus H2SO4. Now in this reaction, temperature is very important. Now if the temperature below 200, then the product sodium bisulfate plus HCl. But in the same reaction, if the temperature is above 200, then Na2SO4 plus HCl. So it depends on temperature. In first case, partial the displacement of hydrogen, out of 2 hydrogen only 1 hydrogen replaced by sodium, but in second case complete displacement of hydrogen. So in first one it form acid salt and second one neutral salt. So when the temperature is below 200, we will get acid salt because partial replacement of that hydrogen takes place. Another example, Sodium nitrate reacts with H2SO4. Below 200 degrees Celsius, product will be sodium sulfate plus HNO3. Fourth method, oxidation of non-metal. Oxidation of non-metal. When we oxidize non-metal by strong oxidizing agent, we can get acid. Example, sulfur plus nitric acid. Product, that sulfuric acid, NO2 plus water. So sulfur oxidized by nitric acid to sulfuric acid, and nitric acid itself reduced to NO2. So this one oxidation, this one reduction. HNO3 strong oxidizing agent. So nitric acid oxidized sulfur to sulfuric acid and itself reduced to NO2 and water. So these are the different method of preparation of acid.